if you watched my last video, you saw that I only showed how to create consistent stickman images. But many of you asked, what about animation? And how was the animated intro made? So today's video solved that problem. I'll show you how using just one smart prompt, you can get a complete AI stickman animation blueprint, including an easy voiceover script, scene-wise breakdown, and 2 animation prompts for each scene to create animated videos. So let's get started. So first, I'll go to GPT and use this prompt. I'll add the main prompt in the description. So when you use this prompt, you'll get everything needed to create an AI stickman animation video. A short or long engaging script that is perfect for voiceover, a scene-by-scene breakdown so each scene can be easily generated, 2 animation prompts for each scene so you can create multiple options and choose the best one, and a minimal stickman style with a white background, black outline, and smooth basic movements like walking, waving, painting, thinking, and reacting. So now you just need to enter our title in this prompt. For example, I enter why we all fail to stick to our New Year exercise resolution. So as you can see, I now get a short script, and along with that, I also get 2 animation prompts for each scene. Now the only thing left is to convert this blueprint into an actual video. So to convert this into a real video, I'm using Meta AI. So Meta AI is a powerful AI video generator that turns our prompts directly into stickman animations. You just need to enter the prompt and this tool will generate smooth, minimal animations for you. So now I'll open the Meta AI website and click on the Create button. In the box, we'll select the video option, then simply paste the prompt we generated from GPT, and after that, we click on Animate. And within seconds, a stickman animation video is generated. The process is very simple, no complicated settings, just paste the prompt and get the animation. So as you can see, one single prompt has generated 4 different videos. You can download one you like the most. So in the same way, I generate videos for the entire script and download only the best ones. This gives us multiple options and helps us choose the perfect video without wasting time. So now that our stickman animation is ready, for the next step is to generate the voiceover. For this, I use 11 Labs, which is an AI voice generator. So here I copy the script generated by GPT, choose a preferred voice style such as male or female, tone and speed, and then click the generate button. So within a second, you get a high quality voiceover that can perfectly sync with your stickman animation scenes. So the next step is video editing. So for this, I use Filmora. So first, I import all the videos and voiceover, then bring the voiceover into the timeline. I set the video aspect ratio to 16:9 ratio and adjust each scene according to the voiceover. Since these are minimal stickman animation videos, heavy editing is not needed. Proper timing, clean cuts, and basic alignment are enough to make the video look professional and smooth. And that's it. This is how my stickman animation video is fully ready. Now without any delay, let's see the final result.
It's January 1st. Time to crush our fitness goals. Day 2. And motivation is already fading. Life gets busy. Netflix, snacks, and cozy beds take over. I'll start tomorrow. Sound familiar? And just like that, ambitious plans disappear. But hey, there's always next year.
So as you can see in today's video, I created a simple stickman animation where the characters were not consistent and keep changing a little. The goal of this video was just to show you the easy process. But in the next video, I'll take this a step further and teach you how to animate a consistent stickman character step by step. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which topic you want me to create a stickman animation for next. For more AI tools like this, see you in the next video. Until then, take care.